Hi, I'm John Trishler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today I've got some exciting new products to show you. This is going to be one of several videos that we're going to be putting together with various combinations and various lights. But this video is going to cover our new bumper mounts for the Gen 3 Raptor and some of the rigid light bars. So you can put a 40-inch straight light bar on your Gen 3 Raptor now with our no drill bumper mounts. And you can put either the rigid SR series Radiance Plus or the SR Pro. And you can also put the full-size Radiance or E-Series Pro now on your front bumper. We also have a universal cross mount that you can put on there, and you can put a slew of lights, whatever combination that you want. Definitely check back because we're doing a complete video with several different pod light options, rigid 360s, Radiance lights across it. Looks gonna look really cool, so check back again for that video. We want you to see all of these different light options that you're going to be able to put on this Gen 3 Raptor. Really, with that universal cross mount, your possibilities are just endless with any make or model light pod that you want to put on there, round, square, big, small, you name it. So definitely check back for some of those other videos. Again, this one is going to cover the rigid Radiance Plus SR single row series and the rigid Radiance full size Radiance Plus 40-inch light bars. And we're going to go over those right now, but check back for those other videos because there's a lot of other cool stuff that you're going to want to see. All right, so we're going to start out here with our rigid Radiance SR Plus, which we have installed here on the front bumper. The SR stands for single row. So this is the lower profile version, and Rigid came out with this newer version here of the Radiance in the SR series, and it's actually RGB, so you can change the backlight color. Of course, everyone seems to like the amber, of course, because it goes so well with the amber surrounds and marker lights as you see here. And we also have the Rigid Radiance fog lights installed in the Raptor here as well, which also have that amber backlight. So that's a very popular option for it. You can see a lot of amber in the front, a really, really cool look. Again, low profile here on your Radiance Plus light bar. Let's go ahead and take a look here. You'll notice our brackets. They come in, you poke them out from the back side. You don't have to drill anything. You actually don't even need to take anything off trim-wise or anything. These are going to be the easiest install brackets that you'll actually probably come across because you don't have to do that much as far as uninstalling a bunch of components to install these onto your truck. But again, no drill. We've got 3 mounting locations with existing bolts in the back side there. So you'll be able to bring these main mounts out. And then we have those supported here in the front. Hopefully you can see that with an additional rubber bump stop. And that just gives them a little extra support, and they are very, very sturdy, and they can hold some very heavy light bars. So with our tap switch, we just tap that twice and it enters into the program mode, and you can go through, and each time you tap that switch, it's going to change the color. So you can land on a color that you like. Now, I will tell you that for the most part, other than just aesthetics, you will probably have some trouble with some of the colors as far as street driving. Typically amber and white are the only legal colors to drive with on the front of your vehicle. So you wouldn't want to drive with blue or red on, for example, because of emergency vehicles. But I mean, if you're just trying to show off, you're parked in a parking lot or whatever, or if you want to chance it, I guess, you do have the ability to play with those backlight colors. Okay, so here is our light bar on. We're gonna step back here and I'm gonna give you some wide view here. So that light bar is gonna give you a lot of power. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look here at the full-size Radiance light bar. Now, this light bar is not RGB. However, being the bigger size light bar like it is, you can see that that amber backlight is a lot more prominent. Because of that, I think on this Raptor, that becomes a lot more popular. This is also my favorite combination over the SR series. However, the SR series is very popular as well. Output wise, they're both very similar as far as the actual power goes. So you're getting more power out of a smaller light with the SR series. But again, that dominance of that amber backlight in the full size is definitely a cool look. If you notice here in the front of the truck, it's very straight here in the middle, and that wasn't really the case previously. You know, the previous gen Raptor was very curved. You see the center part of that bumper, it's very, very straight. So you can get a 50-inch curved light bar on here because in the corners it kind of sets back some. And so we did make this so our main mounts here can accommodate a 50-inch curved light bar as well. I know we had a big, long waiting list for these light bar kits and universal cross mount kits for the Raptor. We just started getting those shipped out now, and now they're available for everyone else. So if you didn't know about this and this is something you've been looking for, now's the time while they're still in stock and available to grab some of these up by visiting us on our website. Again, you can also add our triple fog light kit here as well to complete your look. And you'll notice we've also got our center 10-inch lower SR series light bar in the lower grille as well. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn this one on so you can see its beam angle as well. It's a little more full pattern as you see, and it's filling up a lot more area, it looks like, than the SR series, but both of them have great coverage. All right, so I thought I'd give you one more demonstration real quick on this really dark road, and this is just our headlights now. We're gonna go ahead and turn on our light bar. This is our full-size Radiance Light Bar. I didn't want to demonstrate both of them because I'd have to switch them both out again. We've done that a couple of times, but output-wise, they're very similar. So this at least gives you an example of how much more power you're gonna get out of this light bar. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Visit us again at spvparts.com for this kit and many others. Again, subscribe to this channel so that you can see the future videos that we've got coming out soon. We'll see you next time.